Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about this include function in Salesforce, and firstly we will discuss about how what does we mean by the include function. This include function is one of the text function of a Salesforce that is used when we want to check whether the value selected in multi-picklist value field equals to the specified text or not. And the syntax of this function is given on your screen, where the multi-select picklist field is the field that you pass as a multi-pick list that you want to check, and the text literal is the value that you want to match within the multi-pick list value. So let's learn how we can use this include function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface with the help of examples. So here I open my Salesforce account, click on a gear icon and select the setup option. Once I click on that, it will redirect me to the main home setup page of a Salesforce Lightning, and from here I click on the object manager from the top of the navigation bar. And once I click on that, it will let me know to choose the object on which I want to include this include function. So I am going to use this include function on the lead object. So here I search for the lead in the quick find box and click on that when I get it. And now I click on the field and relationship option from the left side, and from the right one I have choose the new button as I want to create the new field. To choose up the field type, here I am going to choosing up the formula one as I am going to create the formula with the function, and click on the next button. And if here it asks me to enter the field label according to my requirement, so here I am entering the field label as the uh, lead category, as I want to categorize the things with the help of this include function, and field name get automatically populated based upon that. And the next thing we have to choose the formula return type, and here I am going to choose the formula return type as a text. So here I click on the radio button next to the text and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now in this next step we have to create up the function, or you can say a formula with the function of the include. So for selecting up the function, I move to the all function category from the right side and select the text as a category. Now from here I am choosing the includes as a function and click on it, and here it get an option of insert selected function. I click on that and it includes this include function on the formula editor. Now I am going to replace the values of this parameter with my requirement, and then I will explain you the things. So here I have done that and click on the check syntax button to let you know whether it is correctly working or not. So there is a no syntax error, it means it is a fine. Now I will explain you what I have done in it. So here I am using the if and includes function in a Salesforce to check the role of the lead based upon the value selected in the read load multi picklist value feed. As my main agenda is to categorize the lead role, so I have done this thing, and here I use the if statement that check the read load lead roles firstly in the multi select picklist field that has a value of a speaker using the include function. So the condition becomes true, it returns the result as a speaker. The next in condition I am checking for the organizer, and if it is true it will return the result as a organizer. Then I third reuse the if function again, and then I first only work it if the first and the second condition becomes a fall, and it will check the multi-picklist value field, and if it is a participant is selected using the include function, then it will return the result as a participant. And the last I use the sponsor as a selection, and if none of the condition is correct it will select the category as a other. So now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, where I need to choose the profile to which I want to grant the edit access of this particular field via field level security. And after that I click on the next button to choose the page layout on which I want to include that particular field. Here all of them are by default checked. If you want to uncheck any of one, you can do that. And finally you need to click on a save button. So once you click on a save, it successfully create a formula feed with the help of the includes function in Salesforce Lightning. Now we will proceed and learn how we can use this include function in Salesforce Classic also. For this you need to firstly redirect yourself to Classic. So I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic option. Once I done that, it will take me to the classic setup, and here I need to click on a setup option to make me myself on the classic setup of the page in a Salesforce. And once I reached here, I scroll down, and from the left side we have a build section, and I expand the customize drop down from here. And from here I need to choose the standard object on which I want to apply this include function. I am going to show you the example for the account. So here I expand it down and click on the fields as the option. Once I select it down, it will show me the fields that are in a account subject, either it is a custom one or a standard one. All the fields that are present here, it will be shown. Now you need to scroll down and move to the account custom field and relationship option, and here you need to click on the new button. Once you click on that, it will take you to the next step where you need to choose up the field type in which you want to store up your information. So as our main agenda is to create a formula where we will use the includes function, so we will choose up the formula as a field type from the list of the fields that are presented here. So here I am going to select this one. So here I have selected and click on the next button. Now in the next step you have to enter the field label according to your requirement. So here I am entering the account zone as a field label, and the field name get populated based upon them. Next I choose the formula return type as a text, and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now in this step we have to create up the formula using the include function. So you similarly like we have done in the lightning, you have to click on the all function category, choose text as a one, and from here you need to choose the include as a function and click on a insert selected function and create the formula. So let's firstly I create the formula, then I will explain you what I have done in it. So here I have entered it down. Now I am going to check it how it is working on. I click on a check syntax. There is a no syntax error here. So I will explain you what I have done in this formula. Basically here I am using the if function to check if the account located city multi selected picklist field has a value New York, Boston and the Philadelphia, and using the include and or function it will become the condition true and set it to the east zone. Similarly like that I have set some of the cities for the west zone and some of them for the central zone, and last I have set for the south zone, and if none of them is the case it will set the zone as a other. So now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and here I have moved to the next step, in which you have to select the profile where you want to grant the edit access of this particular field. The field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it to the field level security. After that, you need to click on the next button where you need to choose the page layout that should include this field, and the field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout, and the field will not be appear on any page if you don't select the layout. So here all of them by default selected, so I keep these things as it is and click on a save button, and once I click on a save, it successfully created the formula field with the help of this includes function. Now if you want to check how it is working on, you need to open the accounts as an object from the top of the navigation bar, and from when I click it here, it will open up the list of account, and I am randomly open any of the one, and here I need to choose the firstly uh, Picklist fields value that I have created. So here we have passed the Picklist field value as a account located city. So here we have to search it for where it is located. So just a second, here it is. So here we have to find out the value. You can see here we have multiple ones. So I am choosing up the New York as a one and click on a OK. And after that, just a second, click on a New York and add it down and click on a OK, and once I do that, I click on a save button, and once I click on a save, here you can see that here it changes down the account zones to the thing. So here I am getting an error because of the duplicate account name. So let's just change it and click on a save. Once I click on a save, it will automatically change up the account zone to the, you can say, east zone because of this New York. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can use the includes function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface in Salesforce. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.